So, yung topic ngayon is the master budget. So, first, let us define what is master budget. It is the overall plan of the firm for a given period. Kaya siya overall plan kasi composition siya ng iba't ibang budget. So, ang laman ng master budget, iba't ibang budget, which are subdivided into two major categories. So, ano yung two major categories? Operating and financial budget. So, sa operating budget, ito yung mga budget na may kinalaman sa operations ng company. Financial budget, ito yung budget na ang laman niya may kinalaman sa movement ng cash. Diba? So, yun. And itong arrangement na nandito, ito yung order. Diba? Order kung paano mo gagawin yung master budget. So, una ang sales budget. Yan, hindi dapat mauna ang ending inventory budget ha. Una dapat ang sales budget. Yan, dapat sunod-sunod yan. So, 1 hanggang 14. So, punta tayo dun sa pinakauna, sales budget. Sales budget, ito yung pinakauna at sinasabi rin na ito ang pinakamahirap. It is the hardest budget to prepare. So, bakit? Bakit? Kasi lahat ng budget, ng succeeding budgets, nakadepende yan sa sales budget. So, kung wala kang forecast ng sales budget, kung mali ang forecast mo ng sales budget, magiging mali na rin ang forecast ng lahat ng susunod na budget. Yes. Number 2. Punta tayo sa ending finished goods inventory budget. So, ano yan? So, ito yung budget ng gusto mong maiwan na inventory. So, bakit ka mag-iiwan ng inventory? So, dapat alam mo yung reasons niyan, di ba? Nasa inventory management yan. Oh. So, ito yung, ang laman yan, yung budget ng finished goods na iiwan mo sa inventory. Number 3, production budget. Yung production budget, nakadepende yan sa sales budget and doon sa ending inventory budget. So, emphasize natin to. So, ito yung formula. Production budget, anong gusto mong kunin? Yung units to be produced. Ito yung formula ng units to be produced. So, una, kunin mo yung estimated units sales. Unit sales. So, add yan ha. Add mo yung desired ending inventory. Yung nasa budget number 2. Add mo yun. Diba? So, pag pinag-add mo yun, makukuha mo yung total needs for the period. And deduct finished goods beginning inventory. So, deduct finished goods beginning inventory. Makukuha mo yung units to be produced. Number 4, direct materials budget. So, direct materials budget, nakadepende naman ito sa number 3. Diba? Kaya sunod-sunod yan dapat. Nakadepende yan sa number 3. Dun sa units to be produced. So, dun sa units to be produced, aalamin mo kung ilan yung required na materials per unit. Diba? Kung ilan yung required na materials na gagamitin per unit. Multiply mo dun. No? And then, add desired materials ending inventory. Kung ilan yung gustong maiwan na materials ending inventory. And deduct yung beginning materials inventory para makuha mo or malaman mo yung materials purchases. Kung ilan yung bibilihin mong materials. Yan, di ba? Parang variation lang yan ng yung pag-compute ng cost of goods sold. Di ba? Meron kang beginning inventory plus purchases, di ba? Equals yung total goods available for sale, di ba? Minus ending inventory equals yung cost of goods sold, di ba? Kaso, in this time, dahil purchase yung gusto mong malaman, ito, di ba, paakyat ka. Ilan yung gusto mong mabili. Di ba? So, paakyat. Diba, pag paakyat ka, pag pataas, lahat ng deduction, i-add lahat ng addition, i-deduct. Yan. So, para makuha yan, ganito yung naging formula. Okay? Next, punta tayo sa illustration. Punta tayo sa illustration. So, meron given na unit sales per month. Diba? And then, ang nire-require niya is prepare production budget. Requirement A. Prepare production budget for July, August, and September. Okay? So, ito. Ready na yung formula dito sa solution natin. Analyze na lang natin. So, ito na yung formula, no? Kailangan natin production budget for July, August, and September. So, estimated sales for July, 120, August, 210, and September, 150. Desired ending inventory. So, paano nakuha yan? Basahin natin. There were 30,000 units of finished goods inventory at the beginning of June. Plans to have an inventory of finished products that equal 20% of the unit sales for next month. 20% of the unit sales for next month. Yun yung desired ending inventory. Diba? Sa July, ang susunod na buwan is August. So, 20% ng unit sales ng August, 10 times 20%. Ito yung 42. Yung 150, sa August naman, yung 30,000 nakuha sa 150 times 20%. Diba? So, sa September na 36,000. Paano nakuha yan? Nakadepende yan sa unit sales ng susunod na buwan. Ang susunod sa September, October, 180. Diba? Sa October, 180 times 20% para makuha yung 36,000 dito sa September. Next, beginning inventory level. Paano nakuha yung beginning inventory? So, alam mo na yung beginning inventory is yun yung ending inventory from last month. Diba? Kaya, ayan, may arrow yung ending inventory from July, yun yung beginning for August. Diba? Yung ending mo for August, yun yung beginning mo for September. Itong 24 ng July, saan nakuha yan? Diba? Saan nakuha yan? Ibig sabihin, galing yan sa ending inventory ng June. Yung ending inventory ng June, nakadepende sa 20% ng next month sales. So, 20% next month is 120 yung July, diba? Times 20%. So, ang ending inventory ng June is 24,000. Itong 24,000 na to mapupunta sa beginning inventory ng July. Yan. So, deduct mo lang yan. Yung beginning inventory, makukuha yung units to be produced. So, basic, diba? Letter B. Prepare purchase budget in pounds for July, August, and September and give total purchases in both pounds and pesos for each month. So, ito na yung formula. Ready na din. Analyze na lang natin. So, sabi natin kanina, kailangan mo for purchases budget is yung units to be produced. Tapos, i-multiply mo yung quantity required for each unit. Quantity of materials required for each unit. Basahin natin yung sa problem. Sabi niya, 5 pounds of materials are required for each unit of units produced. Diba? Each pound of materials costs 8 pesos. 8 pesos for each pound. Inventory levels of materials are equal to 30% of the needs for the next month. So, yun yung inventory. 30% ng needs for next month. Materials inventory for June 1 was 15,000. So, ano yung sabi? Yung desired ending inventory, which is ito, 30% daw ng needs for next month. Which is, needs. Ito yung needs, diba? So, July, 30% ng needs for August. Diba? 990 times 30%. Ayan, 297. So, 780 times 30%. Ito yung 234. So, paano nakuha yung 252? 30% ng needs for the next month, which is, ano yung next month? October, diba? Oh, actually, meron tayo ditong computation sa baba. For October, ito ba yan? Oh, for October, meron tayong 180 na units to be produced. Ay, 180 ba? Ito, yung computation ng units to be produced. 180 plus 24 minus 36 times 5 pounds para makuha yung needs, di ba? 30% nun, ito yung 252. Okay? Next, yung beginning inventory naman. Just like the concept kanina, beginning inventory is the ending inventory of last month, di ba? Ending inventory of last month. So, ayan, kaya may arrow, di ba? So, ito, yung beginning inventory ng July, saan galing yan? Malamang sa ending inventory ng August. Di ba? Ending inventory ng August is ito, 207. Paano nakuha yan? 30% ng July's production needs. Di ba? So, 207. And then, multiply mo sa, pag nakuha mo yan, di ba, i-deduct mo yung ending inventory. Pag nakuha mo na yung total na purchases need in pounds, yan, actually, ito yung hinahanap sa requirement, di ba? Multiply mo lang sa cost per pound para makuha yung total cost ng materials purchases. Yan. Simple lang, di ba? Next, direct labor budget. So, direct labor budget, wala nang masyadong komplikasyon dito, di ba? Direct labor budget is meron lang siyang direct labor rate. Di ba? I-multiply mo lang sa sasabihin ng problem na kung saan siya nakadepende. For example, direct labor hours, di ba? Oh. So, yun lang. Multiply mo lang siya. Yung direct labor rate sa direct labor hours. Siyempre, yung direct labor hours nakadepende sa units to be produced. For example, 2 hours per unit, di ba? 2 hours per unit. So, sa isang unit, meron kang 2 hours. So, multiply mo lang yung 2 hours sa direct labor rate per hour. Number 6, manufacturing overhead budget. So, actually, halos pares lang yung manufacturing overhead budget sa direct labor budget. So, titignan mo lang kung saan nakadepende yung overhead. Usually, kung saan yung cost driver, di ba? Kung saan yung cost driver niya. Number 7, budgeted cost of sales. So, hindi na pinakita yung figures ng mga ito kasi hahabang masyado yung module, di ba? Medyo simple lang naman kasi itong mga to. Yung number 7, budgeted cost of sales, simple lang, di ba? Para siyang paggawa lang ng cost of sales. Beginning inventory, ng raw materials, plus yun, hanggang sa dulo. Di ba? Plus mga work in process, finished goods. Except that the amounts are budgeted. So, yun lang yun. Selling and administrative expense budget. Yan, forecast din to ng selling and administrative expenses. Budgeted income statement. So, simple lang din. Budgeted income statement. Sales minus cost of sales. Diba? Equals gross margin. So, ganun lang din. Except that the amounts are budgeted, syempre.